Hey, I'm back. I know I have been MIA for a long time, but I'm back. And as always, we tell out recipes from new cookbooks. To all our new subscribers, welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button, because this year we are diving into a wide range of cookbooks. And today's video, the first video for this year, is from a new cookbook, and the cookbook is called Something from Nothing by Alison. I've never cooked from any of her recipes. In fact, I just came across her book the other day. This is the first book I've ever tried from her. I don't know if she has other books. I'll check that one out. And we are starting with her creamy cauliflower pasta. Here is what we are working with. I'll follow the recipe to the letter, but for full specific measurements, you need to grab a copy of the book. And something interesting that I've discovered about this recipe is cooking cauliflower leaves. I usually toast these things out, so I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. Olive oil, panko breadcrumbs, salt, some pasta, onion, chive, lemon zest, black pepper, cauliflower, some heavy cream. We'll start by making the pecorino breadcrumbs. The olive oil, the breadcrumbs, season with salt and pepper, some salt, then we stir. We want them to be golden brown. This should take around 4 to 6 minutes according to the book. Then we add the cheese. We toast them to coat. This is done. Transfer it to a bowl or a plate. Here is the water for boiling our pasta. I've put some salt. In goes our pasta. Oh. We will let it cook until al dente. So I'll transfer this one at the back. Then I pick my pan. I have wiped out the crumbles. Add some olive oil, the onions, the cauliflower goes in, salt and pepper. So we will cook this for around 12 to 15 minutes. You're going to add the cream. The lemon zest. We let them simmer for around 2 minutes. Season with some salt. And some pepper. Then we add the pasta. The remaining cheese. Is my cooking pan small? Add the pasta water. beautiful that plate looks like. First video of the year. I'm already excited. I'm so encouraged. This thing is so sweet. And definitely this will be in this house menu from now henceforth. The creaminess, the crunchiness from the breadcrumbs, the chive. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you've not gotten this book, run. Don't walk, run. I love the way we are starting off this year. So the book has a suggestion for a salad that we can pair with this. See you next week as we try out the salad. It's an interesting salad recipe, and then we pair this together. We see how it's going to turn out. Bye bye.